my channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing with the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. As many of you guys know, it recently launched and I barely got mine yesterday. So yeah, today we're gonna do an unboxing, as well as we're gonna try them out. We're gonna do a look. That's why I have my eyebrows already prepped and ready to go. I just used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in medium. I used the, I think it's the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and then I just used the Urban Decay primer for my lids. So let's go ahead and open this up. So excited. So this is how it's gonna come in. So nice and pretty. This is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collection, and this is my first time buying something from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe, so you know, 2-in-1, you know, hit two birds with one stone, works out perfectly. So this is how it's gonna come packaged with bubble wrap. They want to make sure those motherfuckers don't break, because isn't it just sad when you get your package, you're all excited, and then you realize one of them is broken? So now you have to deal with all the fuss of returning it and stuff. So, woo! Almost dropped them. So it comes double, like 2 layers of bubble wrap. And this is how it looks like with all the 4 palettes. And I guess this is just to pull them all out. Alright, let's start. We're gonna go with Dark Magic. This is my favorite palette. When I saw the palettes, this one was my favorite palette, so it's kind of funny that I picked it for the first time. But yeah, this is what they look like. So it comes with the mirror handy, love it. This is the packaging in the front. I can read you guys the colors. So we got Proof, Power Cut, Trickery, Diversion, Potion, Busted, Inside Job, Mojo, Temperance. Right there. So moving on, we got Armed and Gorgeous. Yes, girl, yes! Look at that. So motherfucking pretty. Alright, so we got VIP, Access, Guilt Trip, Coin, Agent, Top Secret, Smooth Criminal, Secure, Prowl, and Classified. So pretty. And I wish I could swatch them all for you guys, but that's just gonna make the video even longer. So we're gonna pick a palette to work with. Next we got Bling Boss. And honestly, shout out to one of my friends, Myra. She's a real MVP. She's like, dude, get it. Here's the code to get it even cheaper. It's totally worth it. And you know what? She's right. It's totally worth it. Alright, so we got Bling Boss right here. They're just too perfect. So we'll see how they swatch. I'll swatch a couple of them, because I've seen some reviews that it's the exact same formula as the last one, so it's like it was a bust again. But I don't know, I've seen a lot of good ones and a lot of bad ones. So we got Bling Bling, Hush Hush, Gem, Pizzazz, Mystique, Sparks, Glitz and Glam, Rockstar, Ballsy, that's a good name, Ballsy, Berry Treasure. Get it? Berry Treasure instead of Burry Treasure. I get it. Alright, so the last one is Ring the Alarm. We got some fallout, just a little bit right there. Let me see if I can show you guys. You can't see because I'm a light, my bad. So let me see. It's okay, it's okay, it's alright, it's still good, it's still good. Alright, so we got Lolly Rush, On Camera, Boom, Alert, Bomb Ass, Siren, Mugshot. Like, how they're so creative with the names. Like, Framed and Secrets. So yeah, those are it. So let's go ahead and swatch some right now. Like I said, I'm just gonna swatch a couple of them from each palette to see what we think. So I'm gonna go in with Dark Magic, and we're gonna go with Potion. Feels very velvety. Okay, you know, honestly, I like it. It's just me. I just suck at swatching. Okay, then we're gonna go in with Diversion right here. I think that's how you say it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm in love. Alright, let's go with Ring the Alarm. We're gonna go in with Mugshot right here. So oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh. Alright, next we're gonna try, let's go with Bomb Ass, this one right here. Really fucking pigmented. Like, I think I picked up too much. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. It's fucking beautiful, bruh. Okay. I should have like a wipey on hand, but whatever. We're gonna go with Armed and Gorgeous. We're gonna try Coin. That one grabbed my attention real quick. So we're gonna go in. We're gonna switch hands now. So we're gonna. What the fuck? Like, what in God's heaven name is that? Oh, I think this is my favorite by far. So far by far. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go in with, let's go with Access, this one right here. So let's try this. They're really freaking soft. They kind of feel powdery, but not really, if you know what I mean. Okay, girl. Okay, Jaclyn, I see you, girl. I see you. All right. Last palette is the Bling Boss. I think there's a purpley one. Yeah. So let's go in with Jam. Like, come on. How can you not swatch this motherfucker? Like, how can you not swatch this motherfucker? All right. And I'm using different fingers, just so y'all know. I kind of know what I'm doing. God! Look at that! Oh my god, that's freaking amazing. And I believe all of them kind of come, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. I'm kind of making up stuff right now. I'm kind of just seeing what the matte to sparkly ratio of each palette is, but they're all vary. So this one has like 4 sparkly and 6 matte. So each palette comes with 10 shadows, obviously. Let me finish swatching. I'm like all over the place. So we're gonna go in with, let's go with Ballsy. Why not? Why not? Let's go with Ballsy. So we're gonna do that. Look at that. Like, I am not complaining at all. So like I said, each of them come with 10 shadows. So this one, the Bling Boss, comes with 6 like sparkly ones and the rest are matte. So that's 4 matte. And then this one, Armed and Gorgeous, is 6 matte and 4 sparkly. I don't even know, is that the thing, sparkly? So for Ring the Alarm, we have 4 sparkly. I'm not sure if you consider Siren a sparkly or matte, because it's like, it's definitely not matte, but it's definitely like not as sparkly as these ones. So we have 4 really sparkly, 5 matte, and 1 like half and half, I guess. I don't know. I'm not a professional. So then for Black Magic, I think this one that is Black Magic, yes. We have 4 sparkly, 5 matte, and this one, Mojo, is kind of sparkly, but more on the matte side. Like I can see kind of some sparkle on it. Unless it's Fallout. Never mind, it's just Fallout. So we got 6 matte and 5 sparkly on this one. Or no, 4 sparkly. Man, I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Alright, so these are the swatches. Really gorgeous. Like these 2 right here, the gold and the pink, are like amazing, as well as this purple one. So this is gonna be interesting to watch. Just like to do. So let's get it going. So let's just get started and get ready. So I do use tape. Okay, girl, don't judge me. But I usually like to make it unsticky. So I put it on my palm and then I unstick it and then I stick it onto my face, if that makes sense. I can never get them even, and that's like one of my biggest struggles when I use tape. So I rarely use tape unless I want it to look like picture good, if you know what I mean. So alright, let's get started. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I don't know what we're gonna go, but we're definitely gonna go out of my comfort zone, and we're not gonna match the shirt I'm wearing because I'm kind of leaning towards using the Dark Magic palette. So we'll see, like we'll fucking see what we come up with. I don't know. So I think we're gonna do like an orange and green look. I'm not sure if it's gonna come out good or not. So obviously it doesn't match my shirt, so we're not too concerned about that. So we're gonna go ahead and come in with Ring the Alarm with the Rush color, this one right here. Just apply it all over the lids. I mean, they're not really that blendable. I feel like you have to kind of work for it a little bit, just a little bit. It's not too bad. I've seen worse, so it's totally cool. Maybe it's the brush, maybe it's me, I don't know. Okay, next we're gonna go in with Alert, that same palette, this one right here. Let's see. So let's just go in with that. And we're gonna try to focus it more on the outer crease. So I'll do the same. Then we're gonna switch palettes and we're gonna go in with Gorgeous, Armed and Gorgeous. We're gonna switch brushes and we're gonna go in with Smooth Criminal. So Smooth Criminal. Dun, 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 dun. brush is not working out for me, y'all. Same on the other side. Okay, and then let's see, let's swatch this one. I don't know if I want to go with green. I feel like that's gonna clash really bad. So I think I'm just gonna go in with Guilt Trip or On Camera. And we're gonna do Guilt Trip. That's what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna get a checking brush and just pack it on the motherfucking lid. Yes. Now we're just gonna do it on this side. Okay, that is it. So now I'm just gonna take these off. And then I'm gonna just go back in with the Smooth Criminal just a little bit. Blend that out better. Okay. And then I'm just gonna line my lids. And I'm using the Revlon Skinny Color Stay in Black. Honestly, if I had a brown eyeliner, that's what I would use right now, because I think it would look so good with a brown eyeliner, but I don't have one. So this is the finished look. I just added foundation on, and as well as I put some Smooth Criminal under my eyes, winged my eyes, I should say, mascara, and I just put foundation and blush on, and I put this orangey bronzy lip gloss on. So I thought that was pretty cool. I definitely like this look. I definitely wear it out during the day. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know down below in the comments what you guys think of the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, if you guys have it. And also go ahead and comment on what you think about this look. Don't worry, I'm not gonna get my feelings hurt. So yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe.